Hello friends, it is Ren Kimono, and today's video we're going to talk about cleaning products in the regular cleaning aisle. Alternatively, you could always look for this in the clearance aisle at 90% off, which is unheard of. This is the sort of stuff that we love to look for and find, and unfortunately, I think the stickers went up when the items were still gone at my store, or possibly somebody just snagged all of them. I'm assuming all of this showed up on Tuesday, and I rolled into the store on Thursday, so it's the breaks. I lost out on most of this stuff. I would have loved to have found it, but I just want to show you some of the tags and kind of just talk a little bit more about this. So if you're going to be over at Walgreens, walk down the cleaning aisle and look for these stickers. And even if stuff is at 50% off, you might be surprised what it's ringing up at checkout. Okay, so the first item that I actually do have a visual for is the Complete Home toilet bowl cleaner, or also known as the Nice toilet bowl cleaner, and it was $2.29 and is down to 20 cents. When it was at like $1 and some change, I bought it because toilet bowl cleaner is really hard to find over here. But yeah, this is the one, 90% off. That is wild. Now the little pine sol that was $2.99 is down to 30 cents. I think that one was also gone in the store, but maybe your store might have it. Sorry, it's kind of chipped out of the frame. But still, 30 cents for pine sol, that is an unheard of price. Now we're just going to look at stickers. Again, somebody hit it really hard and everything was gone, whatever was remaining. We have this Windex refill for 80 cents. So it's one of those containers with the blue solution by Windex, and it just has a cap. So it's almost $8 down to 80 cents, unheard of price point. Now another pattern that I saw was a lot of Method and 7th generation, all this stuff, clearance. So these are the disinfectant wipes. So it is a canister of wipes. It's in the scent lemongrass citrus, the 70 counter, down to 75 cents from $7.49. The Method all-purpose lavender wipes, this is only a 30 count. It went from $3.99 down to 40 cents. Use your register rewards or points to pay this down too, so you're not really feeling it out of pocket if you can get $1 at least rolling of all this clearance stuff. The Method pink grapefruit cleanser, so it is that trigger spray bottle. It's actually a really nice cleaner. My mom likes it. $4.29 down to 43 cents. That is a steal of a deal. I wish I could have found at least one. And then we have the Method Bamboo Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner, 28 fluid ounces for $4.29 down to 43 cents. So Method, 7th generation, the stuff that's right at the top, clearance. Okay, so now we have the Mrs. Meyer multi-surface trigger spray in the lemon one, 16 fluid ounce, $4.99 down to 50 cents. So that's been on clearance for a good long time. So Mrs. Meyer, 7th generation, Method, those brands that, a lot of people are like, well, it's better for the environment, less toxins, completely vegan, or whatever it is. That's the stuff we're looking for. It's usually found on a top shelf. And then we have the Mr. Clean Freak Multi-Spray Lemon Zest 16 ouncer for $5.99 down to 60 cents. I would have died to grab at least one of those, but everything was gone. So they hang the sticker still, but I would have loved to have at least found one. And then we have the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet gel. That's the hydrogen peroxide. So it's just one toilet bowl cleaner, $4.49 down to 45 cents. So that is some significant savings right there. And then we also have the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner at $2.59. This is called the Power and Free 24 ouncer. So that's a larger one, down to 25 cents. So that is a steal of a deal. Honestly, if you find a bunch of it at your store, just buy all of it, especially if you love like cleaning products. And I know a lot of us are couponers or clearance shoppers who love that. And then we have a Method wood cleaner, 25 ounces for $5.99 down to 60 cents. That's the one that looks like a donut shaped bottle. We don't have a lot of wood in our house, but I've always looked at it and I'm like, that looks like a massive donut, and it's brown packaging. And then we have the Woolite pet stain carpet cleaner for $6.29 down to 63 cents. We have 7 million cats here, so I would have loved to have found one of those, but hey, sorry, Charlie, you're 2 days late and $1 short, so that's not happening for me. And then another great little clearance find is the Resolve carpet cleaner, 22 ounce, $6.49 down to 65 cents. So 90% off at the very least. If you can go walk around, and if things are not ringing up properly, maybe try Saturday afternoonish. So it's either on a Tuesday or a Saturday schedule for clearance. And guys, in case you missed it, I made a video subsequent Walgreens deal, including some very inexpensive paper, the Palmolive, Fabuloso, and Suavitel. I tested that out. It is in fact working. And some very, very inexpensive L'Oreal Vive, and then a couple quick little items over at Rite Aid. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.